Hi, good morning. Okay, my name is Wahab Alaonekwe. Um, I'll, from Ogun Labs, I would like to give you a breakdown. I would like to explain to the details and pick it up from where I left off the last video. Okay, in order to continue from where I left off the last video I established the fact that how to set up WordPress on your system, on your local system, or on how to you can set it up on your hosting server. But this time around, I would like still continue on the same series on how to set it up on your local system without having to go through a long route, which is the traditional way of doing it, making it flexible for you to do. And that's the part aspect of this video will be concerned today. This video will be a very short video that will talk about how you can set the WordPress up on your local system, just installing a particular uh, software on your local system. Now, doing this will make the journey so easy on setting up the WordPress on your system. You just need to start, put the website name that you want to your website name you want to call your website locally. Then when you are done and you install your theme plugin as you wish, then from there you can start to build your website to suit your taste. Then after that is been done, then you can then push your website to the you can push the Lenxel, which is the LMS we are actually talking about, our main target. You can actually push it, install it, then design it, then push it to the live site of your choice. Okay, to proceed further, I would like to tell you what this application is. Um, this doesn't You don't have to install XAMPP, just like I mentioned earlier, in the traditional way, or WAMP, or map, in order to get your Apache set up. But doing using local WP, if you use local WP, you get to you get the software you need. This software, what it does, it will set up your you set up your local server for you, put in WordPress into the local server, and that's the reason why it's called local WP. It means WordPress. WP stands for WordPress. Then it automatically set up your local Apache, your local MySQL database for you. It sets those things up for you. Then you don't have to worry on how to you have to install XAMPP. Then you don't have to worry on by going to WordPress engine to download WordPress. But this does that for you without having to install each of these application stage by stage, which is the first our first video, our first lesson was talking about. Okay, click on the local WP, then you can go ahead to download this. You can go ahead to download this, provide your kind of system you are using. If you are using Intel, provide. If you are using Windows, you can select Windows. This is based on the kind of the operating system you are using. Currently, I'm using Mac Intel. Then I put in my name, then put in my other name. Then it's talking about choose your organization type, agency, independent, freelance, uh, agency, then work email. Then you can put in my work email. You can put in your work email right there. Then you can click on get it now. Yeah, I can assure you this is currently downloading now on my local system currently. Then say your download should start automatically. Yeah, mine has started. If not, you can click at the button action button called click here. Now, while waiting for that, you have to, depending on the operating system you use, you can go ahead to install yours. If you are using Windows, if you are using Mac, you can go ahead to install yours. I believe after this series, you might have downloaded this, and it will be working for your on your local device. Then this is the way the outlook, the view looks like. This is the way the view looks like. You can be able to manage the kind of server, your Apache, the username and the likes. You can be able to manage that on your after being installed. Then okay, because I've installed XAMPP already on my system, which is my Apache, I don't need to wait for this to complete because it's still the same process. But mind you, when this is installed completely, then the next thing is to do is to open the application up. Then the application will be asking you what the website name, what's the name you want to call your website. Then you can provide the name you want to call it. You can decide to call it www.openspace.com. You can decide to openspace.com. You can decide to call it www. You can decide to call it openspace only, depending on what your name for your website will be called. After that being settled, then the other things after that being settled, then and you have given provided the name of your website, then the next point of action, uh, you'll be directed to a particular page which is your WordPress. Then it will ask you to launch it, then you can launch. Then it will be directed to your local system, which is where your the URL to your WordPress. And if it's directing you to your URL to your WordPress, just as my just as my own is directing me to my current WordPress site I've set up already. But yours, after downloading the local WP and you have put in your website name and everything, then automatically URL will be given to you. And if the URL is given to you, you can easily go ahead to open up the URL, the local URL given to you. Then after being opened up, this is what you see. You see WordPress. Then you can decide to go, depends on your region. Yeah, you can decide to pick the language you want, which is English. I will pick in English. Then your site name, you can give it a site name. Let's give it an example. I want to build a website uh, for an homeless people. Then the username, I can decide to give my username, but I prefer to use admin. Then the password, I prefer to use my password. Um, I prefer to use my password. Currently, after typing my password, I can decide to use my email address, my organization email address. Then I can go ahead to say install WordPress. Automatically, this will automatically install WordPress, which means you have successfully installed WordPress. Congratulations on the next phase you are moving to, which means you have successfully installed WordPress. Then the next thing is to do is to log in into your WordPress. Then click login, provide your username and password, then click login. Then automatically you'll be logged in into WordPress. Ta-da! You are now logged into WordPress. This is a WordPress website. Now, which means you have completed the steps of installing WordPress on your system. Then the next step that you may also need to follow is for you to be able to set up Lenxel, which is our LMS, a free LMS on WordPress, a WordPress directory, and is having a paid version. If you feel like having a paid version, you want to consult us, in order to give you a better product out there. We will be happy to be in the journey of your organization by making your 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 vision come to life. And for you to get Lenxel installed on WordPress, then you can go to your theme. This is the theme is where the website this is where the WordPress get the theme, how your website will look like on your screen. You can decide to pick any. But for me, I would like to install Lenxel, which is an LMS, learning management system, that is going to manage your courses, manage your lessons, manage your users, which is also known as a learner, and all those things for you. Then by for you to install the theme, you click on add. After you click on add, then you can go ahead to click on you can now go ahead to install Lenxel by typing Lenxel, and this will search for Lenxel on WP. You can say Lenxel WP or Lenxel, then you can go ahead to install. We are currently installing Lenxel on our website, and just like I said in the last video, this Lenxel has the WordPress theme, has the WordPress theme, has a plugin and a supporting plugin that will make the future of this theme more robust. And also it has the capability on how to in case you want to have an high mobile phone installation, Android mobile phone installation for your users, in order to be able to download in order to be able to run on their mobile phone. They can just download it, or you can share the app link where they can download it with them, and they will download it and install it on their mobile app. He has the features to manage that. Yeah, you can, but we'll get to that as we proceed in our video, in the next video, on how to, after installation, on how to set up Lenxel completely, on our next video. Then take advantage of any other thing that will be of help to you. Thank you. My name is, thank you. If you have any if you have anything you like to share with us, or you have any complaint, or you have any feedback you like to give to us, we'll be happy to get it from you, because we are here to make you happy and to make this application be a better place, put you our organization in a better place among organization out there. Thank you very much.